What a week. Day one, I took the Tesla Model 3 Highland for a drive and it was brilliant. The next day I took the BYD Seal Dynamic for a drive and it was very impressive. And today I took the BYD Seal Performance for a drive and it beat all the rest. A special thanks to Sarah from BYD at Fortitude Valley.
Oh, she goes.
Yeah.
Definitely try it out. And
oh yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
yeah,
Really
very
nice.
responsive. Very.
Oh, I like that head-up display.
Yeah,
What a difference does that make?
I know.
Well, that was incredible. I just drove a kilometre and I could tell the difference already. It is a goey little car. And it doesn't feel big and it doesn't feel small. It definitely feels different to the Dynamic. I don't know why it feels different to the Dynamic, but it sure does. Whoops, I just realised why it feels different to the Dynamic. I now know the difference. Wow. The heads-up display, I know you probably can't see the heads-up display, but the heads-up display is unbelievable. So
She
that's
wants to
nice.
go.
That's nice. That is amazing. Truly is amazing. This is an incredible car. What's really good about it too is that I'm sitting on an ice block. And that's really amazing, that the fact that this glass does not get hot. I mean, the Tesla, I had to wear a hat in the Tesla. Because I didn't wear a hat, but I should have, because my head was getting hot. Maybe I'm getting bored. But
The silver plating reinforcement really makes a difference.
is that what it is? Silver plating?
Yeah.
Is it?
So silver in its essence is reflective. It wants to reflect the light, reflect the heat, reflect everything. So it doesn't really let it into the car.
Yeah, it really does make a big difference. In fact, I don't think you'd need the sunshade.
I don't think so either. Like, it's there as a comfort, but
Yeah.
the way they have it designed, I think it's the job.
That pickup is amazing, isn't it?
So good. So, whoop,
Gee, that's amazing.
isn't it? Not used to sitting on an ice block.
I'm sorry?
I'm not used to sitting on an ice block.
Ah, well,
It's all right. It's a refreshing.
it's different. Isn't it?
Yeah, it's very nice because you're thinking getting into a car in Queensland, but getting into leather seating in Queensland, you always have a fear of like burning yourself sitting
Yeah.
onto it. This is nice.
Oh, isn't that amazing?
It's so fast. It's so
this-
silent.
Yeah, is the ability to see your cruise control with a heads-up display. It's really, really good. Oh, that is so good.
Isn't it?
That heads-up display is worth the car. The heads-up display makes such a difference, and it's so clear. I've got my glasses on too, and even without my glasses, so I don't really need glasses to drive. But even with, I wear glasses to drive to be able to read the Atto's dashboard, but I don't need it with this heads-up display. That's incredible.
That's so.
That's wild. I can't get over that heads-up. The heads-up display is fantastic.
absolutely. Keep going around.
Oh, it handles really well.
Really well. She's stuck to the road.
Isn't it stuck?
Centre of gravity is like the centre of the earth with these.
Here we go. Wow. So that was 80 to 100 and I changed lanes and I felt totally in control. My passenger was probably a bit worried. But
it's my first time in the car too.
It's incredible, isn't it?
So nice. I can't wait to drive it.
I was tossing up, you know, I've actually ordered two. I've ordered the Premier and the Performance, and I was going to pick just one. And I was leaning towards the Premier business. Oh, I don't know, use the Performance.
Yep.
Changed my mind.
Performance after driving it. It's
Yeah.
so good.
I could drive all day in this.
Right?
It's so comfortable. And the fit, there's no rattles. The only rattles are your keys.
Yeah, literally.
Glad to know I don't need my glasses.
Driving a Seal improves your eyesight.
Yeah, that's all right. It just sticks to the road. Well, I've been driving for about half an hour now, and I've got to say, it is brilliant. You know, I thought the Tesla Model 3 was really good to drive, and I said, you really can't pick the difference, but I think this one beats it. But to be fair, this is a lot faster than the Model 3. But it's dearer. Gee, it's $2,000 dearer. What's $2,000?